Most side hustles don't fail because you're lazy. They fail because they were never designed for moms. If you've ever tried to build income while raising kids, working a job, or running a household, you already know that working harder isn't the problem. The system is. I'm Annie, and welcome back to Raising Freedom. In my last video, I shared why this channel is changing and who it's really for, which is parents who want real income without burnout or guru hype. Today, I want to go one layer deeper because if you're a mom or a parent asking, okay, but what actually works? I'm going to give you the 2 income systems that make the most sense for real life. Here's the hard truth no one tells you. Most side hustles fail for moms because they require at least one of these 3 things: too much time, too much upfront money, or too much complexity. And when you're raising kids, managing schedules, and trying to still have a life, those 3 things are deal breakers. So instead of chasing everything, I started looking for systems that passed one test. Can this actually fit my real life? So like real life, let's just get right into it. System number 1 is high ticket affiliate marketing. And no, I don't mean spamming links or posting random products online with a video. I mean promoting one proven system that already has the product, has the funnel, has the customer support, and already converts. So your only job is to get the right people in front of it. You're the middleman. And here are the 3 reasons why this works for moms. 1, you don't need to create anything. No courses, no ebooks, no websites from scratch. It's already all been built and tested for you. Number 2, you don't deal with customers. No refunds, no tech headaches, no inbox chaos, no phone calls. And number 3, the commissions are meaningful. We're talking hundreds to even thousands per sale, not $1 per click, which means you don't need massive volume to make real income. You don't need to be spamming your family and friends. You need the right system and the right audience. That's it. And that's why this model works for parents who want income without turning their life upside down. All right, and system number 2 was made for parents. This one is teaching you how to publish children's books to Amazon. This one surprised me because instead of chasing trends, creating content nonstop, trading dollars for hours, or trying to figure out a bunch of tech, you're just building something fun, something you already know all about, kids' books, and something that will always be on trend. You're building a digital asset. You create something once and it pays you over and over again. And here's what makes this perfect for parents. 1, it's simple. You don't need to be a writer or an artist. And there's actually an exact formula you will learn. 2, it's family friendly. You can literally involve your kids in this process, teach them how to be entrepreneurs and start their own business as well. That's building generational freedom, and that's what Raising Freedom is all about. And number 3, it's long term. You're not just making money this month, you're building something that exists even when you're not working, even when you're on family vacation, even when you're asleep. And like I said, kids' books are evergreen. They are never going to be off trend. This isn't hustle income, this is asset-based income. So notice what both of these systems have in common. They don't require 40-hour work weeks. They don't require building anything from scratch or constant grinding. They don't require customer service or coaching or tech headaches at all. They work because they're leveraged. They've already been built, been tested, and been proven. They're simple. You can learn how to do either of these things in 48 hours. And they're built for sustainability. They're not going to go off trend or become obsolete because of AI. That's the difference between $0 days and $1,000 days. Not working harder, choosing better systems. So if you're a mom or a parent who wants income without burnout, freedom without hype, and a business that fits your family, not replaces it, that's what Raising Freedom and these 2 businesses are about. I'm not here to show you everything. I'm here to show you what actually makes sense for real parent life. So if this spoke to you, click the link in the description below to check these out. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, because every week I'm breaking down what works, what doesn't, and how parents can build income without sacrificing their family. Welcome to Raising Freedom.